Okay, so like almost all of us know how to make a customized sticker on Apple, but today I'm going to show you how to make a customized sticker on Android, okay? It won't be the ones like you make from emoji, but it'll be kind of good, okay? So, let's start. Okay, so now 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 can you see this stickerly app over here? So just tap it, okay? Fine. So just press plus, okay, enter your pack name. I'm gonna keep mine Vatsal's best stickers, okay. Enter creator name, hey, okay. So no, and if you want to allow a search, just do this, but then I don't want people to, because this is like gonna be my face, so I don't want people to like to like, how do I say it, like use my face in their contacts. So my name is Vatsal Goel. I'll just type VATSALGOEL. Okay, now just create. Hey, no, okay, and I forgot to like. Fine, let the allow search be on. Forgot to on it. So now you have to take a photo and add it. So like I've taken some photos over here. Now I go here and I select this. Okay. Then you can do it manually, but then that takes too much time. So just press auto. Okay. It'll take some time to find your face, and it works great. You can adjust it like this. You can just erase it, restore it, okay. You can like restore it like this. You can erase it like this, like just erase it. Fine. Now just wait, no, I want to erase it. Then you just apply. Then I like it's not likely that they'll get the message just by seeing it, so I just like type text. um there'll be a gradient, okay. So I type okay. Fine. Now done. Okay. Hey, now being annoying. I just move this down. Now move this down. Fine. Now why is it being so annoying today? Done. Let's just move this down. Okay. So then just press on, click on save, and yeah, and tray means that tray means that on WhatsApp it'll have at least it'll have at least like on WhatsApp, this will be the main icon, okay, on top. So as I was saying below, it requires minimum of 3 stickers. So I'm just gonna make 3, okay. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so now as you see, I finished 3 stickers. So I'm gonna change the tray to this. You can just do it by doing this. See, set as tray icon. Just do this. Okay. Now, now you just add to WhatsApp. Just press that. Okay. Now just select an app. I select this one. Okay. Then add it. Then you just go to WhatsApp. Okay, and just go back. Okay, now we'll go to fine. So these are the stickers I've made before. Fine. So now I can just post it. Okay. So here now there's this one over here. See, it works great. I'm not kidding. So see, it's just like a sticker. See, look at that. It works great. And even this is another pack which I created. Okay, like it works great. Okay. So that'll be for the end of this video, and and I know this was a pretty short video, not pretty, like a very short video, like only for like 5 minutes or something. So I think I guess I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh yeah. Okay. And I forgot, click the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. These four things: subscribe, like, comment, and share. Fine. So